In this video, you will learn how to use common JQL functions and parentheses in Jira. First, let's consider why you should use functions. Here are some examples. Functions add flexibility to queries because they replace values that would need to be regularly updated. This is quicker and more flexible than searching for a specific value every time. For example, say you want to search for all issues created before the beginning of the current month. You could use an exact value, the date of the first day of the current month, to carry out your search. Let's try this out. In the top right-hand corner, click on Search in the main navigation bar. Then, select Advanced Issue Search or select one of the recently viewed issues. This takes you to a list of issues. To see the advanced search in JQL, select Switch to JQL. Type the field Created. Using the autocomplete feature, select the operator less than, and then type the date in the format year, hyphen, month, hyphen, day. If you were to come back in a month and perform the same search, you'd need to update the date value again. However, if you used a function for this search instead, such as start of month, you would not need to update that date value again, as the JQL function will automatically update to search in the current month. Let's see how this would work. First, clear your JQL text box. Now, type the field Created. Using the autocomplete feature, select the operator less than. Using the autocomplete feature, add the function start of month. Select Search. Jira will now display all issues that were created before the start of the current month. This is the same result as our previous query using a value, but when you use a function instead, the search results update automatically to the current month. Let's take a closer look at the parentheses in this query. Parentheses are used to contain arguments, items that adjust how the function operates. Let's say we wanted to see issues created more than 2 months ago. If we add a time increment of -2 into the parentheses, Jira will update the function to account for this new information. There are many other useful functions you can use in your Jira queries. Here are some of the most popular ones. The updatedBy function returns issues that were updated by a specific user. You can also add a specified time range if you like. An update, in this case, includes creating an issue, updating any of the issue's fields, creating or deleting a comment, or editing a comment. Let's try this out. For example, let's say you'd like to find all issues that the user Marie Kent has updated. Type the query Issue in. Add in the updatedBy function. Add the user's name. Jira will now show a list of all issues that Marie Kent has updated. The Members Of function performs searches based on the members of a particular group. For example, let's say you want to find issues reported by the administrators of your Jira instance. Type the query Reporter in. Add in the function Members Of, and add the name of the group, in this case, administrators, inside of the parentheses. Administrators are members who have admin privileges. And Jira will show a list of all issues reported by the administrators. The linked issue function searches for epochs and subtasks in an instance. If the issue is not an epoch, the search returns all subtasks for the issue. For example, let's say you wanted to find all the issues linked to an epoch. Add in the function linked issue. Add in the equals operator. Then type the project name Lima1. and Jira will show you a list of issues linked to that epic. The Open Sprint function returns issues assigned to an open sprint. For example, say you wanted to find issues assigned to a sprint that is open on your Jira instance. Type the query sprint in. Add in the function open sprints. Jira will show you all the issues assigned to an open sprint. The linked issues function returns all issues linked to another issue. For example, say you want to find all issues linked to the issue Dublin 7 in the Dublin project. Type the query issue in. Add in the function linked issues. Now add the issue Dublin 7 into the parentheses. And Jira will show you all issues linked to the issue Dublin 7. Our final example function is the released versions function. This performs a search based on the released versions of a specific project. For example, say you wanted to see if there are issues from a released version of the alpha project. Type the query fix version. Use the operator in, type released versions, and add in your project name, alpha, into the parentheses. Jira will show you all issues from a released version of the alpha project. To recap, functions can seem tricky at first, but they're useful time savers because they replace values that would need updating in future searches. You can also use arguments in a function's parentheses to adjust how the function works, giving you even more flexibility in your searches.